Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, DeepSeek V3, a powerful new tool that can help you explore the web and get the most out of your searches. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek V3 is the latest iteration of the DeepSeek V3 model, designed to push the boundaries of what AI can do. It's a state-of-the-art language model that excels in understanding and generating human-like text, solving complex problems, and even assisting with creative tasks like writing, coding, and more. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before, and in this video, we'll explore why. DeepSeek V3, the biggest leap forward yet. With 60 tokens per second, 3 times faster than V2, enhanced capabilities and full API compatibility, this fully open-source model is set to revolutionize your AI experience. DeepSeek V3 is setting new benchmarks in AI performance, outperforming competitors like Qwen 2.5, Llama 3.1, GPT-4o, and Claude 3.5 across multiple metrics, from language understanding to coding and math tasks, proving it's a game changer in the AI landscape. Access API. This dashboard is your central hub for everything DeepSeek. You can see your available tokens, track your usage, manage your billing, and even top up your account right here. It's simple, clean, and gives you all the information you need in one place. Signing up for DeepSeek. Getting started with DeepSeek is easy. Just head over to deepseek.com. Click on the Start Now button. You can then sign up using your email address or your Google account. Exploring the DeepSeek interface. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. On one side, you'll find a main prompt area where you can add your search prompts. On the other side, you'll see a list of your previous chats with DeepSeek. DeepSeek offers 2 powerful functionalities: DeepThink and Search. DeepThink. This button is for complex queries that require in-depth analysis. Simply click on it, and DeepSeek will use its advanced algorithms to provide you with comprehensive results. Search. This button allows you to perform traditional web searches. DeepSeek will scour the internet for relevant information and present it to you in a clear and concise way. You can also upload documents and images to get even more specific results. DeepSeek can handle up to 50 files at a time, with a maximum file size of 100 megabytes each. DeepThink. For this test, we'll use the following riddle. A lumberjack has 3 piles of logs. Each pile has 10 logs. The lumberjack needs to divide all the logs into stacks of 5 logs each. How many stacks will the lumberjack have in total? This problem might seem straightforward, but it's for basic understanding of multiplication and attention to detail. Search. We'll be using the search feature to analyze the effectiveness of DeepSeek V3's web search capabilities. For this test, we'll use the following: market size and growth of the generative AI market. Our goal is to see how effectively DeepSeek V3 can find relevant and insightful information about this dynamic sector. Code. We're going to witness firsthand how this powerful AI can generate functional HTML code, specifically scoring and feedback. Let's see how it performs. Generate functional HTML code by providing a short exam question requiring an HTML, including a final note. We'll then run the generated code in a web browser to see the interactive quiz in action. We'll take the quiz ourselves to test its functionality. Writing. DeepSeek v3 can generate a high-quality, informative article on the role of AI in marketing. We'll be looking at things like the clarity of the writing, the depth of the analysis, and the overall quality of the output. We'll provide with the following instruction. Write an 80-word article on the role of AI in modern marketing. The article should cover key areas like AI-powered marketing automation, personalized customer experiences, data analysis, and the future of AI in this field. This will likely take a few moments. We'll be watching closely to see how well it structures the article, develops its arguments, and uses language effectively. Review the generated article, clarity and flow, accuracy and depth, originality and creativity. Upload. You can easily upload documents and have DeepSeek v3 summarize the key information for you, saving you valuable time and effort. Assess DeepSeek v3's document processing capabilities. We'll upload a document and see how well it summarized the key information. We'll also explore potential limitations, such as handling multiple files and extracting highly nuanced insights. DeepSeek v3 demonstrates impressive capabilities in document uploading and summarization. It can quickly and accurately generate concise summaries of various types of documents. However, there are areas for improvement, such as handling multiple files more efficiently and extracting highly nuanced information. Images. Assess how well DeepSeek v3 can understand and describe the content of an image. We'll see if it can identify key objects, colors, and even the overall mood or atmosphere of the image. Upload image. Demonstrates impressive image processing capabilities, effectively identifying key objects and describing the overall scene. DeepSeek v3 truly showcases the incredible potential of AI. It's a versatile tool that can assist you with a wide range of tasks, from research and writing to coding and creative projects. I encourage you to explore DeepSeek v3 and discover its full potential for yourself. Let me know in the comments what you find most impressive and what you think the future holds for this amazing AI technology.